This is Irontrader, and this is the last call of the day. So we're going to take a look here at crude oil and at natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels are posted along with the EIA report for natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell, stock, commodity, ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil daily chart, natural gas daily chart. It pretty much tells it all right there. Okay, now what a beautiful short here on the old crude. Okay, look at this. It went right into the 200-day. Like I'm telling you, if we get it past that 8-day, the next resistance level is 8-day or 200-day. If you get past that, then we go to the 50. Okay, never made it there. So we went yesterday. We're right into that 200-day. Today we popped up a little bit, came right on down, and look at this sell-off. Now again, if it didn't hold that 8-day, then she is going lower. Okay. Very, very easy trade. SCO, really good scalper there today. What the hell did I get out of there? 70 cents. I still got the trade on SCO here. So this is looking really, really good here on the short side. Now, let's look at the downside here first. So what we want to do is look at today's low. Okay, so you're looking at 76.24. If that is lost, then we're going to come right over here. You're looking at 76.04. Then we're going to come over here. We're going to look at 75.35. And then we're going to look at yesterday's low at 75.18. And then your big retest here is 74.59 right there, okay? Which was basically here. So you look at the top of this candle, 74.33. You held that support up here pretty nice here, okay? Now, if that's lost, then you're going to come down to the 74.33 and 74.06. And we'll come over here to your 73.98. We have 72.82 and then 72.48. That is going to be your big target. But that's only if the 74.59 is lost. Now, let's take a peek ski at the upside. Well, right here, 8-day is everything. 77.02. Okay, we get above that. Then we'll look to the top of this candle. You're looking at 77.69. We look here. You're looking at 78.19. And we come up here. You're looking at 78.47. And then we have your 78.55. Your 200-day, that's the key. Right there is that 200 SMA. Now, above that, we can look at today's high, 78.88. And then we have this 50-day sitting right there at 79.25. Okay, so everything, as to say, like I pointed out in my last video this morning and this afternoon, is this 8 simple moving average. You close below, looks like it's going to go lower. Okay, now, that being said, what you want to do is watch those futures tonight. Okay, so you want to watch obviously the high, which was 78.88. You want to watch that low at 76.24. And then what we want to do is watch this key 8 simple moving average at 77.03. Very, very crucial level. Okay, so let's just see what happens there tomorrow, because you got this big green candle, but now we got this big red candle. However, you did make a higher high and a higher low, so we got to see how this is all going to shake up. Now, the market, man, what can I say? It's going down like a $2 whore here. Dow's down 730, Nasdaq's down 534. However, never look at it and say, oh, it's down. That's only if you're long, okay? Find a way on how to make short. Now, again, there was a good long trade here, too, in Meta. Okay, look at Meta. What a really great trade that is. It's up here 19 points. Awesome. Now, remember, after the close today, you have Apple and Amazon. There's going to be a market mover, okay? So just like it was yesterday, okay, market mover. Now, Nvidia was a good trade. I scalped it 3 times. I made money twice, and once I got a break-even stop, so no money on that one. However, it still was a very good trade, and good trade there on the Tesla short, which is I still have going right now. Okay, so TSLS, easy way to do the short ski on the old Tesla. Okay, so again, never look at it and say one way. That's only if you're long situation. But when it comes to the crude oil, that's why we trade the charts. Don't let anybody tell you, oh, it's after looking. Bullshit. I told you when we're down here, if you cross the 8, it's going to the 200. Where'd it go? Right to the 200. Okay, if you get above that, you go to the 50. Never made it there, and then that tells you it's going to come right on down. Okay, now natural gas, you had a build of 18 billion cubic feet. They're expecting a build of 31 billion cubic feet, so it's getting better. Now, that's why the nice pop was going into the situation, okay? So UNG was a good scalp on the way up. That was a good scalp. And then KOLD. Now, I scalped KOLD. I'm still in the KOLD short right now, okay? So really good trade on that. It got as low as 68.04, and it got as high here as 79.80. What a trade here on KOLD. Now I'm still in the short. I'm waiting to see what's going to happen. Now you're sitting at 197. I always point out this left. I'm breaking your balls here with all this stuff on the left, but now it's coming into fruition. 1.97. We look at the top of the candle. What do you have? 1.97. If you lose that, you have 1.95. Then we have 1.92, and then there's your gap. Okay, sitting right there at 1.90. If that is lost here, we can come over to the top of this candle. You're looking at 1.84. Then we can come over here. You have 1.80. We have 1.78. And then you can ride this all the way down here. You got 1.72. And then this is what you're looking for at 1.67. There's your gap. There's your fill situation. Just look to the left of the chart here. I tell you this day after day after day after day. I'm starting to bore myself with this thing. But again, it works. Okay, we cracked below that 199. Now you at 197. Now she just looks lower here. Okay. Now upside, well, you just got to have to do the reverse of what we just did. Okay. So what you do is you look at the bottom of that candle. You're looking at 1.99. We'll come up here. You're looking at 2 flat, and then we can just keep right on going. You got 2.02 here. You have 2.05. This is what you're looking for here is that 2.06. That's your 8 simple moving average. You get above that, we come here. You got 210. We have 213. And then we come over top of there. You're looking at 215. And then we have your big 21 day here at 2.18. Now, no worries if you didn't get all that, because I get right at the end of the video here, all the support and resistance levels are posted for you. Now we don't want to watch this at 1.99. Now we want to watch the 1.97. Very, very key. If that's lost, just remember 1.95, 1.92, 1.90 are the targets. Upside, you got to get back up there, up to this 199, and realistically, you got to get back to that 8 simple moving average at 2.06. Okay, very, very simple. Now the market here is just getting hammered here. Yesterday we had a good day as far as the NASDAQ goes. Everything was railing. I mean, even look at the old Crude ski here. Okay, but again, remember this is election year. Okay, in the United States, so it's going to be very, very volatile. This is also the Fed year. Is the Fed going to cut rates starting in September? They obviously didn't cut them yesterday. Are they going to do it in September? Are they going to do it in October? Are they going to do it at all? This is what the market is all around here. So never have opinion that says, hey, oh, this is going to go long. I'm going to go all here. No, I usually do is like I did yesterday. I went balls out long here, like on NVIDIA. But then at the after hours, it got so high, you got to dump that off. Okay, that's the key is don't get so greedy. Take the profits. Put them in your pocket. That's the key, okay? So crude oil, when the futures open, right here, 77.03, watch that level. You need to get back above it. If you can, 78.55, that is your target. If this is lost, you could come all the way down here to 74.59. Okay, right now on natural gas, watch that 1.97 level. If that's lost, your big target is going to be 1.95. Upside, you're looking for right here, is this 8 SMA here, looks at it sitting at 2.06, okay? Very, very good. Now, if you look at this RSI here, you can see the positive divergence. So even though we're putting in a lower low here, look at where your RSI is here, okay? See how this negative was? Negative? This is getting negative, but this is getting positive. In a matter of time, okay? Patience, patience, patience. To get into natural gas, and she will rip higher. But be patient. We got to find a bottom before we do all that. Okay, that's what I got for you. I'll be back here tomorrow morning here before 8 o'clock, and we will do it all over again. Remember, trade what's in front of you, not what you want.